So in continuing MIDI effects, I just want to very quickly go over the transposer, which is a really useful tool. So what I can do is I go to my MIDI effects, I have the transposer, this should be a quick one. If I play my part, I can transpose this by up or down semitones, but transposing the MIDI, not the audio. So I can shift it down an octave. But as well as actually transposing up or down, I can actually lock it to a scale, so I can select notes I don't want to hear. And of course, as well as finding my own, there's a whole load of pre-built in shapes. So I can pick my root note. I can say I want it to be A, and I want it to be a natural minor, and it gives me all the notes of A minor. And this, of course, works whether or not I'm semitoned up, so I can move myself up 7 semitones and still be rooted in A natural minor. But where I could find the transposer actually most useful is probably things like this. I have the transposer and I shift up 2 octaves and then lock it to, let's say, C major. And then I shift on this one, transposer, up 1 octave. And I lock it into C major. Lead cellos where they are, basses. I hit my transposer and down 2 octaves and C major, and then I can actually select all of my tracks and I can create a track stack. So if I go to a summing stack here, you see the option, I can put all things together as one patch, which means if I record, enable this, and they are all responding and they are all behaving in line with each other. Oh, cellos need to be locked to C major as well. Now, if I actually go into each one and also put an arpeggiator and I play with my gridded pattern, and let's put in a couple of strike hits. I can do the same thing on violin 2, add another arpeggiator, put it in a grid, work in a different pattern. So let's make this. Then my cellos, I can do the same thing, put an arpeggiator, and let's make this on and off. So let's go to grid. Let's put in just some hits. Let's put in the bass. To put an arpeggiator. Let's leave this one live And then if we are controlling all of them, bass is too busy. Let's put it into grid, and let's only put in the important beats. And with that, if you just stack things like the transposer and ARP together, you can actually get these big elaborate settings where you're getting a whole lot played without having to do a whole lot of work.